Oh, I see. Oh, I see. There he is. We're gonna try to get his back. Armor. That was. We didn't get it right. Why does he sound like monsters? I'm gonna do baby voice the whole time. Is that alright? You almost asked for. You'll get there someday. Looks like the fort is up here. Maybe we should be careful. So I'm on the normal difficulty. I did do. What did I do? Actually, I should probably say. As I say this, I did the option where if I die, I lose all my loot, and I have to get to it again, to get my loot again. So, I did that option. I guess to make it a little bit harder. Well, maybe we should be sneaking. I do have a fan on me. I hope it's not too loud. I think we're okay. Arrows. Clues. Oh, he wants to sell me stuff. Purchase an arrow. And I gotta tell someone that doesn't show up on stream, you lose. Indian arrows. Okay, you guys gotta keep an eye out. Holy shit, there's like a ghost or something. Oh. Ooh, a water skin. Maybe we should get a water skin. What is this? Small trowel. Guys, we're gonna do some gardening. The Indian king, who they call Werrance, was much pleased by our gifts of tools and trinkets. He gave us abundance of corn and bear meat. That's a bit spookies. Can I shoot him? Okay, you can. Yeah, he's not gonna mess it. Crude charm of soldiery. That do. Reloads muskets, pistols, and crossbows. 5% faster. Maybe not. I need monies. I want to buy better weapons. More than a trowel to dig up. Bell. Okay, okay. Okay, we have a bell. We need to hang it somewhere. In case those just come alive, they're it's so dark I might have to go to the main menu. Right, we'll be back for you. We're looking for a shovel. Because I imagine it's even darker for you on stream. Bell! Okay. See the church. More money! Any clues up here? Gross. Oh, I have an arrow, or I have a arrow. Water skin. Spaniards seek to destroy settlements, maybe used for privateering. Oh, those creatures were Spanish. That's why they were growling. I did think they looked, their armor looked a little Spanish. I think that's the first time I've jumped in this game. Alright, another thing I can't dig up. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, I'm not doing that until I do this, because I'm feeling something's gonna happen. Oh gosh. I'm scared now. An eyeball? The Lord Governor is determined we cannot spare any men to send to Fort Henry, for we are harried constantly by the natural to have recently grown more hostile towards us. You guys, this is spooks! An ear! I can hear things I couldn't before. A ghost! Okay, we need to find a mouth so we can talk to him. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. Where's Martha? Who's Martha? My wife. Who are you? I'm Captain William Eastgrove. Oh, I should be British. I am Captain... I can't be British right now. When did you last see her? On the hillside. We were sitting together. I was holding her hand, talking about her son. I shall find her for you if I can. We're speaking to a wraith in William Eastgrove. Appeared in the dark when I rang the bell and vanished when daylight returned. Yeah, oh my gosh, chicken fever. I was just thinking that. I was like, last night I was like trying to fall asleep and I was thinking, you know, I was gonna play this today and I'm like, there could be like a big match, and I was doing this in the guys, in like the wrestling announcer guy's voice. I can't think of it. He's like King something. But and I was like, it's gonna be like a tag team match, and like the Betrayer and the Undertaker are gonna be going against I don't know, like Mr. Hollywood and whoever. And then it's like, so the Undertaker's gonna be fighting, but then true to his name, the Betrayer betrays the Undertaker and smacks him with a metal chair and leaves or whatever. And so, and then Undertaker gets pinned. Of course, you know, the referee doesn't see any of this. So, and then they lose. So, anyway, just keep talking to this girl. So, she's like, how could you see? And I said, I couldn't see him until I found this strange eyeball. Oh, choices. An odd thing to pick up. chat thing. Up there you go. You like wrestling. I used to watch wrestling when I was a young child, up and through middle school. Didn't know what it was. I thought it might be useful. I personally find the tongue more unsettling. You didn't lick the wrath, I hope, though I confess I am still curious about what one might taste like. Who are you? I can't remember. Oh, she can't remember, guys. She's been searching for her sister, but she can't remember. Perhaps she's hiding from the Spaniards. They seem more beasts than men. Oh, that's normal. One of us not seeing the world as it is. I'm sorry, my pictures. Getting rid of some. But I feel like I would say they seemed real enough. No, well, I'll say this one. And I hope that it is for you, for I do not wish to see things you speak of. The Wrath want. He's for his wife. I would help you find her, but it's hard to track what one cannot see. I must look for my sister. We are twins. Where shall I find you if I have news? In the fort. I'd like to learn the outcome of your search for the wife. I can't help but worry. Okay. Listening will lead you to areas of interest. You will find different locations in our world versus the other world. Okay. Hey, girl. Alright, let's see if we can afford anything. One arrow is 5. No thanks. What's the Dorbs? The girl? Alright. So I think we should go outside the fort and listen. This way? Yep, this way. I'm scared of the Spaniards. I'm afraid. Oh. Ah! Ah! Shit! Fuck! I almost died! Ammo. Okay. Well, let's go take a drinky poo and be sneakier next time. Aw. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Feelbad. You're being alone. Yeah. I was really into The Rock. I wish I knew where it was. I don't know if it exists anymore. I had a t-shirt that had The Rock on it, and I made it into a muscle shirt, and I would wear that. I don't give a heck what anyone else thought.